Rockstar lifestyle when I'm gon' make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, always knew that she was faking. MG on the BGO, wait till I'm the greatest.
What is up, Go fam? You already know we out here. Don't do that. Don't do that. He better not do that. I'm with my in-laws out here right now. He on the C2 thing. I'm on that new C100, you hear me? I still need to get Maxes because these tires is... Well, they ain't, but I don't like them on that. He wanna battle me with a broken arm. Stop. Don't drop. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Why you drop that wheel? Oh. 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 Why you drop that wheel? Why you drop that wheel? For that, I'm gonna put it in first. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm in the same gear as that, fifth. No, that joint like third. Oh. Don't drop that wheel, shorty. Oh, you got the 12 on me. Oh. Ah! I already burned him up now, so it's cool. I think I said in my last video that I was gonna go get Maxes for this the next day, but there's no bike shops open, so I can't even go get Maxes today. And transport said that when they are open or whatever, they can't even do my axle the same day. I'm gonna have to make an appointment or something. I don't flipping know, but tomorrow I'm gonna for sure go get some Maxes. Oh yeah, 13th and Mifflin said they can do the axle. But tomorrow I'm gonna go get some Maxes for sure. But me inside right now, about to go to 24th Street, get some Allow food real quick. And I switched the seat. I put the camo seat on there, cause I ain't gonna lie, that thing is slippery. I ain't gonna keep it on there though, but that seat is slippery. Probably just got to get broken in first though. Let's see something with it. Watch him. Watch him. Worm. Worm. Okay. What else? What else? Oh, cut the corner. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Don't drop. Oh, Wormo. And yo, today I'm gonna do 2 videos, well 3 videos altogether. This video, I'm gonna do a video, the C100 versus the C2, and I'm gonna do my new bike review, the C100 bike review. You know, do it all around. As this is the non-pro, it's a lot of differences from this one, from my other one. Yo, I look like I peed myself. What the flip is that even from? Yo, everyone tell Young Boy to get on this YouTube grind. Young Boy be slacking. And I got the other GoPro you can use. It's a little banged up. You just need a SIM card. But tell Young Boy right here to stop slacking. And go subscribe to his YouTube channel right now. Link in the description. So he can stop slacking. Yeah, for now. Hopefully they stay on. Oh! Ooh! He dropped right out that thing. Oh, watch him. Oh, drop the hand. Oh, he panicked. Oh man, he dropped the wheel. Woohoo! Combos on the new thing. That's it. Stop disrespecting me, Yamo. Oh, never. Ah, I wanted to do this, but I dropped that wheel like a wormo. You got green peppers? Oh, unreal, I tell ya. You got green peppers? Psh, unreal. They better have green peppers or I'm gonna get mad. You got green peppers? Green peppers? Ah! I'm gonna put this Free to Peep sticker there. How long ago?
A couple years ago.
And that joint's still there mobbing. That joint didn't fade. You know where they didn't get that from. Where? We eating these things now, but no Stan had the green peppers today, but I just got onions in this thing. They slacking on the green peppers though. All right, we just got done eating and all that. Now we about to go back around the way. Zaire about to go look at his dirt bike. Right, Zaire, you got a dirt bike now, right? What's wrong with it though? Oh, he gotta put his engine on his dirt bike. Nah, we big cabin. It's A-Rap's dirt bike. But Zaire gotta go put his engine on his dirt bike for some reason. Why'd he take it off?
You gotta rebuild. You put it back on.
Yeah, but like, how'd he blow it up? Didn't he have it for like a day?
Yeah, he trying to ride motocross on the street and shit.
He literally have his dirt bike for one day. He rode to the lot. On his way to the lot, he blew it up. What do you call that? Let me know in the comments. What you call that?
Trying to be a motocross rider.
I call that a big worm.
Motocross helmet.
Oh yeah, he definitely did have a big helmet on and all. Worm, young boy. But Sai about to go put his engine back on for him. So let's go. All right, so I thought the whole entire engine and all was off, but this thing is a lemon.
Soggy.
Hey, Brad, this joint is a lemon.
Trying to buy the joint, right?
Bro, it don't even switch gears. Look, it's just
Clutch. And a clutch.
oh my. Tom, what's up with you, Tom? Worm mechanic. He messed up Don's RM85. Messed this thing up. Worm. This thing is lemon lime.
Soggy.
Go ahead, try it again. He talking about fixing it. How you want? Oh, finally. Let's see if it starts. Come on, turn the gas and all on. I'm gonna
Shit, hug it. Not. Hear that shit?
Hear that? Hear that?
Soggy. Nothing's in right. The pipe comes off and everything. Look, I take the pipe off by myself.
Yo!
Soggy. Let's see your bike scrape for the first time.
Yeah, Si, scrape that thing. Scrape it. Oh, watching.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh. Oh. Oh, keep it going. Oh. Oh. Tyrone, you gonna let him do that on your bike top?
Man, this shit
Ooh.
do that.
Oh. Oh, hold on. Just leave it right there when you're done.
Shit.
Oh. Come on, weak as it. Oh yeah, I forgot he had a blue name. Lemon though. Sheesh. Oh.
It locked again.
You capping.
Swear to God. It locked again.
You capping.
Alright, stop doing that shit.
Hold up.
Yo!
A fresh rebuild. Bro, it didn't rock.
Bro, you just see me hitting it down. Alright, stop kicking it! Oh, you hear that? Her? You just see me kicking that joint down though.
I don't know. Lemon, lime. Yumbo just said he's selling that YZ85 for how much?
Stat.
I told him I got 300 for it right now.
Everybody see this joint, wanna buy that joint, just because when my quarter was in my backyard looking at it, you can.
You don't want that hoagie. No one buy it, so I can buy it for 300. I told him I got 300 for it, but he don't want to sell it. Oh. 300 for that?
This piece of shit.
Essie dead. So we've been just sitting in front of Tyrone's crib for like a whole hour now. But now I'm about to go to the bottom so I can do the 2 other videos. And then I'm gonna probably go ride by myself or something because I don't think Zaire riding. Oh, I'm tired. I just wheelied up the street. I'm tired as fuck up. Hold up, I just said I'm not gonna vlog yet, but hold up. Look at this. Yeah, tweet. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, tweet. Yeah. He's right there in the window. Yeah, tweet.
Look at it, he's sick.
He's sick in the window. Yeah, tweet.
I don't know. So wait, so how you bump there? You gotta put it, you gotta smack it down.
You just got run, smack it down.
You smack it up. Cause it don't go down.
Oh yeah, don't go down. Look, it's when you click dirt bikes down, hold up. Go down. When you click dirt bikes down, it's supposed to go to first gear. His though, it goes to neutral.
You don't got no engine boat.
Hoagie.
You don't got no engine boat.
Where? dying. Let's see some. Throw that thing up. Right now, Tweet and Arab arguing.
Right now, show your whole back row. Show you my foot in there.
Oh!
I don't got one upstairs. Yeah, I want to show you the back room.
That's how you carrying a Tweet.
Show me your dirt bike style. Like this.
He said, show me your dirt bike style. Ah, Tweet is mobbing though. Let Tweet say it. That drum don't sound bad though. That don't sound right. Hold up, left hand brake. Woo! Watch him with their big collective gloves. You heard me. Oh. 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 Watch him. Oh. Oh. Hold up. All first gear working. Oh. 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 No hands. I need to turn my handlebars so I can do some no hands. Woo. Now I need maxes so I can do some combos on this thing. That's what I need. Woo. I ain't gonna lie, I miss riding my C100 though. My black C100, the rim is bent. I need a new rim on that thing. My orange C100 ride out supply still got it, but he's supposed to be dropping that thing off real soon. I was just talking to him about worm. I was just talking to him about it though. I should be getting that back real soon. But right now we gotta go down the bottom, get some work in. So let's go. And I'm about to do them 2 other videos, so stay tuned for them things. You. What's up, your mom? Watch the car. Unreal. We just about to go to Jabip real quick.
Under the bridge?
No, Jabip. Jabip. Young boy, Jabip. How you don't know what Jabip is?
Under the truck?
No, Jabip. It's Jabip. What you mean? I'm telling you. Jabip. Yeah, Jabip. You don't know where Jabip at? Tweet, you know where Jabip at, right? What's up with him?
I don't know. You just telling me.
You know where Jabip at, right?
Say he talk about some goddamn. I need some other than
All right, throw that joint up. Let's see some work. Okay, throw that little ting up. I see you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, shorty. Oh, worm. Young boy's a fiend. Okay. Yo, don't swerve that car. Okay. What you got? You worming. Oh, I don't want to hear no excuse. Okay, yeah, peg work that joint. No brake. Oh, no brake combos? Why you keep dropping your wheel though? Okay. Yeah. Oh, he shot at you, Tweet! Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh. Oh. Oh, slow walk it. Woo! Oh! Ah! Downshift. Woo! Navs, you better not drop that wheel. You better not drop it. You better not. Some work on this little soggy C2 thing. Hold up. Feel like that thing in a flat. But y'all, this seat is so slippery. I loved how it looked on that C100, but slippery as flip. All right, so right now we're at the bottom, and I just did the C100 versus the C2. I still got to do the C100 bike review, but right now we're down the bottom. Tweet brought the moped, and they said they about to tip on Tweet and take that, John. Tweet about to be mad. Like an hour ago. You gotta see if you let me see. Can I see that drone? That's it. Oh, sure. So the social experiment went terrible. Tweet, you're supposed to let me ride first try, and not your brother. You're supposed to let me see it first.
Yes.
Unreal, isn't it, Si? But I asked second, so.
As soon as we asked, nah.
Oh.
I was chasing them for it. So can I
That's
ride?
why.
So can I ride? Cause bro, I want to ride that jump.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, is it not? Oh. Right now I'm riding the scoot. We're down the bottom. We're just chilling. Oh. He finally let me ride it. Well, he usually let me ride. He just don't be letting everybody else ride it. But I can't even wheelie this joint no more. It's a hoe. Oh, I need to zipper my bag back up. I ain't gonna lie, Mrs. Ojo on the buddy. That thing was way better than this lemon. I could wheelie, but I don't know what happened. Now I'm just worming. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Worming. Worm. Oh my God. Stand on the seat on it. Hold up. Oh! 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 This y'all just lean to the right so much. That's weird. Sayer can't even get busy on this one no more. And you know what he used to do on the other joint. Busy on this joint on the block now. I can't wait. If I don't get it up right here, I'm done vlogging this thing. Not the video, but this on this hoagie. Oh yeah, I better got it up. Worm! Alright, if I really did a second pull. And guess what? I did. And I really passed it. I guess they want some moped work. Oh my God, this thing gotta stay up. Ooh, dropped a hand on this thing. No one treating this joint like me though. Too easy. Nah, this joint not easy, I'm capping. But with 1 foot down it is. You don't even need to brake for real. Go! I ain't trying to run that bird over. Tweet just said his brother Tweet This tweet just said he broke his phone and this is how it looks. What the flip? And this tweet thinks he can fix it. You think he can? Look at this. You think this is fixable?
You're not fixing it.
Why?
It's bent. It's bent, bro.
The battery.
Look, I'm saying right there.
I don't want to bet because I don't know, but can I throw it?
No. Go ahead.
I don't know. We finna see how long until it's done.
Give me at least like 2 weeks. Oh, my camera.
All right, 2 weeks and we finna see if he actually does it or not. But now we about to go in traffic. I'm about to put the GoPro in my hat so I can put it on my head and get some work in. Let's go. Damn, Blink. Let's try to get some work on this ting ting. Woo. 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 Oh. Woo. Woo. Don't drop that wheel. Woo. Don't drop that wheel. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm all right at him. Right at him. Right at him. Let's see something, tweet. Worm. Oh man, don't tell me you about to swerve. Kids, don't do this, kids. Boom. See, don't do it. He was close to getting hit. Worm. Don't do that, kids. Oh, I should have got that though. Okay. Okay. Watch that seat slippery. Oh, worm. Whoa, man. Sheesh. Oh my God. I thought he was about to smack that joint. I ain't gonna lie. Them boy can't do combos no more. What happened? What? Worm. He was doing better combos the first day he was riding it. Yo, 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 come on, come on, don't be swerving my bike. Oh, you should have made that cut. We're on the pavement though. Don't drop that wheel. Cut over, cut over. Woo! Woo! Watch him. Let's go. Ah, don't drop, let's go. He said from riding with Bike Life Maine and all from Baltimore, he don't even care about combos. He getting busy though. Even though he's not doing too much combos, still getting busy. Oh, oh, ah, what, oh. Worm. Look at these young ones riding nuts to butts. He said he got some fire flame for us. Oh. He lied. He lied. He lied. Jump. Whoa, what was that? Oh!
You got that video?
Yo, how my front wheel just come flying off? I knew I heard a noise when he landed. It said someone hold the rim. Watch the car. Ooh, that front wheel really fell off. Unreal. Sheesh. All right, so we back in action. He had Allen keys here. He hurried up and tightened it real quick. He's scared though. I think because it ain't got no washers or nothing on there. Cause I think washers make your grab or whatever. I don't know, but I've been said I didn't like that front rim with that. Oh my, blankie almost went down. Oh yeah, yummo. You won't do a combo right now though. Okay, what do you got? Oh, watch him. Worm, worm. Don't drop, chill with the swerves. Them boy put music in, don't know how to act. Oh! That jump was, ooh! That jump to the peg was clean! Okay, he ain't dropped the wheel though. Tell him, sorry, you ain't dropped the wheel though.
No, you know who be clean
Oh.
shit with each other?
Oh, one hand. Oh, don't drop. Oh, Wormin. Wormin. Want me to take that from you? Oh. All right, so we sitting here. Sair and all, they was eating. Now, this old head. I don't know what's up with him. He calling someone in the speaker.
Oh shit, he shaped like a mermaid.
What's going on? Bro, we wasn't literally doing nothing. They was just sitting there eating. Well, they did make a bit of a mess, but. So like I just said, we was just sitting there, they was eating and all. Now he's trying to call the cops and all this other ish. Yeah, you got a flat tire. But we was just sitting there, they was eating and all, and he's tripping. I don't know what's up with him. Unreal, I tell ya. But I gotta finish the C100 bike review. I'm about to get some clips on my camera. Oh, look at this wormo. So I can finish that video up. But this video is gonna be up before that, so make sure you turn on the post notifications if you haven't already, and stay tuned for that video. Bro, how we do that? Oh, I got it off somewhat, but I don't know how we do it though. That's just weird. The South Philly beach is officially open. Well, you might as well, you're there already. Ride through it. Ride through it, full send. Watch out, Blanky. Come on, no cars. Yeah, Dwayne. I'm gonna grab this front brake. Whoa. All right, now I'm about to go home and he's about to go home. He got an 8 o'clock curfew, but he's always late. Gotta go home now. This is the end of this vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe, post notifications. Go get the merch right now, link in the description. And yo, I ain't gonna lie, the website is going down soon. So go get all the merch you can right now, because the merch will not be on there soon, as I'm revamping the whole thing. So go get that merch right now, link in the description. And yo, go subscribe to Sair's YouTube, link in the description, so he can get on his grind. Go subscribe to One Way Corey Uncut, link in the description, so you can see all uncut footage that isn't in this vlog. You'll see it in that vlog. So go subscribe right now, link in the description. But you know the vibes, go fam. Stay tuned for the C100 bike review and the C100 versus the C2, both coming real soon. You know the vibes, go fam. We out.